Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more congenial type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins and the digital money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are formed to the point that they have a hard stock cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin's cost has gigantic potential. With the sort of popularity rising, Dogecoin's presence is immense, contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no unique preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Storing your Dogecoin is presently simple. In this way, use of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the notoriety and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and ardent worth winds around an heir of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. Dogecoin specialized examination. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the cryptographic money market, there is a fair future. In any case, nothing can be sure in the digital currency space, and that is the point at which our cryptographic money cost estimate comes into the image. Dogecoin's absolute market cap is exchanging around $10,795,171,570 and is currently the 8th greatest computerized cash on the planet. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin is around $0.08138 with an exchanging volume of $354,383,286. The ongoing stockpile is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the all-outflowing inventory is $132,670,764,300. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ath, it denoted a huge fall over the long haul. In any case, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have stamped radical changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost bore the quick opposition with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the vital opposition of $0.1669, however fizzled. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin Doge value began to exchange beneath the opposition. Specialized pointers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin Doge cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on numerous events. Elon Musk's non-stop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer feeling viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase of $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the investigation, Doge's cost will support in the event that the hypotheses materialize. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most outstanding crypto resources. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise venture. Dogecoin could be one of a handful of the digital forms of money equipped for being utilized as a utilitarian cash, instead of essentially as a speculative resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin Doge may not be a wise speculation, and they anticipate the Dogecoin Doge cost to be around $0.0773 in 2023. Though the specialized examination and Dogecoin value expectation of computerized coin cost propose that the coin will go up to 21 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another record-breaking high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly additionally anticipate that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin Doge will reach $2.14 by 2030. Dogecoin expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the greatest expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, while the typical cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in light of our cost expectation. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin expectations 2024. According to the Doge value expectation and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin Doge cost expectation, it might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A gigantic convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Dogecoin value forecast 2027. As indicated by our Doge cost expectation, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the greatest worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Running against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2028. Indeed, even in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin Doge cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the most extreme worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. In light of our Dogecoin Doge cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the greatest and least costs of 71 cents and 55 cents. The typical cost might be around 63 cents with a nice rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen altogether continuously 2030. Dogecoin is preparing to break out above $1. My expectation is that number Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter soon here and there. This will consequently acquaint north of 200 million clients, with number Doge giving them motivation to involve it and enhancing the cryptographic money in general. It can't be overlooked the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary money, which makes it inseparable from genuine government-issued money. This one-of-a-kind trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store substantial resources and bank on greater liquidity, since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary forms. With huge load of cash driving the